All right, so my second Mufga unit is all set up. I used 6 seed pods, and that's the lettuce and kale and bok choy and the tiny Tim tomatoes. I put 2 to 3 seeds in each pod and covered up the unused holes with some duct tape to keep all the light out. I filled it up just under the max, and with just tap water, the water that I use to water all of my plants. And I have lots of plants. I've got, I don't know, 50 or 55 house plants. So I always use tap water, and I let it sit out for at least 24 hours before I use it. And so I let it sit. It's been sitting for a couple of days, so that's the water that I filled up in here. When the seeds germinate, I will put some nutrients in the water and then test it, because I also have, in the first unit that I have, I purchased this pH meter. So I'm going to be testing the pH to make sure that it's good. But I wanted to show the top here. So here's the power button, and then there's different modes. Here's the fruit and flower mode and the veg mode for leafy greens, and the pump. So to turn it on, just press it. Now it comes on. When you first start, you should have the light about 3 inches. I think I need to go down a little bit. This looks more like 4 inches to me. But the light should be about 3 inches above the seeds, and should start to see some germination in about 5 to 10 days. So I think I got germination. I started to see germination on this first one after about 3 days on a couple of the seeds that I planted. So you see the cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, arugula, broccoli, dill, and basil. 4 have not germinated yet, so I think I'm going to discard those because I don't think they're going to germinate. And so I'm going to get rid of those seeds and start some fresh ones, I think. But I'm going to give it a few more days because this garden's only been set up. I think today's the 10th day for the first one. And so this is day 1 for the second one. I'm going to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and turn the light on. The light's on a timer. So, oh, actually we're at 3 minutes. So